Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to log out of Snapchat using the latest version of the app. Whether you're switching accounts or just taking a break, logging out is simple once you know where to look. Let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see your Bitmoji or profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page where all your account details are located. Next, in the top right corner of your profile screen, you'll notice a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Tap on that icon to open your account settings. Now, this is where most people get a little stuck, because the logout option isn't right at the top. You'll need to scroll down through the settings page. Keep going until you reach a section labeled Account Actions. It's usually near the bottom, so don't worry if it takes a second to find. Once you're there, look for the option that says Log Out. Tap on it. Snapchat will ask you to confirm that you really want to log out. This is just to make sure you didn't tap it by accident. Simply tap Log Out again to